And eventually one day, these blessed individuals, the Ansar, the people of Medina, they had a well which was, outside the city, and for the irrigation of their land and feeding of their livestock, they had to go out and get the water. It was tedious. So a young man had a dazzling idea, a legendary idea, and he comes and he tells the others, he goes, listen, there's an easy solution to this. We go to the Rasul, salawatu rabbi wa salamuhu alayhi, and we say, Ya Rasulullah, make dua that Allah Rabbul Izzah open for us water in the middle of the city. Like the same Lord that brought out Zamzam in the middle of Mecca, He will bring out water here in the middle of Medina. You just make dua. So they said, brilliant idea, all the problems will be solved, there'll be ease. And so now they enter the masjid in their group, and on their faces you can see that they're going to request. There's that light, this little twinkle of request is gonna come. And the Rasul knows people. So when he looks at them, he tells the people, he goes, Marhaban bil Ansar. Glad tidings to the Ansar. Welcome to the Ansar. Today, whatever they ask me, I will give. Today, there's nothing they will ask that I will not give. So they heard as they're walking the word of the Rasul, salawatu rabbi wa salamuhu alayhi, that whatever we ask today, he will give. And all of a sudden, the well became too small. Like, if everything else wasn't guaranteed, then khalas, we'll ask for this. But now anything in the heavens and earth is guaranteed. If the Rabbul Kaaba, if the Rasul were to ask for Uhud to turn to gold, Allah would have made Uhud into gold. So they realized that it's a blank check. Anything we ask, it will be given. So the young man says, O Prophet of Allah, give us a moment so we can discuss. So they discuss with one another. And he's, what should we ask? The Prophet has given a blank check. Anything you want will be given. And what do you think they asked for? So they said, listen, forget about the well. Let's ask Allah. Let's ask the Prophet to ask Allah to forgive us. So they come to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He says, Ya Rasulullah, ask Allah to forgive us. So the Rasul raises his hand. Allahumma aghfir lil Ansar. Oh Allah, forgive the Ansar. Wali abna'i al-Ansar, and the sons of the Ansar, and the children of the Ansar. Wali abna'i al-Ansar, and the children of Ansar. And they shout out and look at the goodness of their hearts. Wa mawalina ya Rasulullah. Wa mawalina ya Rasulullah. And our servants, O Prophet of Allah, and our servants, O the Rasul said, and their servants. Do you see that they understood that the greatest success is the success of the Akhirah? Because they could have asked for anything. What would you have asked for? And they go, no. Akhirah is the real success. فَمَنْ زُحْزِحَ عَنِ النَّارِ وَأُدْخِلَ الْجَنَّةَ فَقَدْ فَازَ. The one who traverses over Jahannam and enters into Jannah, he has succeeded.